In this video, let's look at some problem solving questions for Form 1 Chapter 5 Algebra Expression. Now let's look at this question. The diagram shows a rectangle A, B, C, D. So we have a rectangle over here, A, B, C, D. For part A, we want to find the area in square centimeters for the rectangle A, B, C, D. So how do we find the area of a rectangle? I think it should be no problem, right? We take the length times the width. Now, when you refer to this diagram, you know that the length of this rectangle is 6x centimeters and the width of this rectangle is 4y centimeter. Okay, the area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 6x times 4y, which is equal to 6, 4, you will get 24, x times y, xy. Okay, this is the area of this rectangle A, B, C, D. Now let's go to part B. We want to write an algebraic expression for the unshaded area in square centimeters. So when you refer to this diagram, I think you know, right? To find the area of the unshaded region here, we take the area of the whole rectangle minus the area of the shaded region rectangle over here, right? Okay. The area of the unshaded region is equal to the area of the big rectangle, which we got it just now, 24xy, minus the area of the smaller rectangle here. So 2x times y, it will be 2xy. 24xy minus 2xy, you will get 22xy. Okay, so this is the area of the unshaded region. Now let's go to second question. The diagram below shows a square, so we have a square over here, and 4 equilateral triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equilateral triangle means that this triangle, all the sides having the same length. Okay, these are properties of an equilateral triangle. Given the area of the square is, the area of this square is 2x minus y square centimeters. Write the algebraic expression for the perimeters of the following shape. So, to find the perimeter of the following shape, we need to know the length here, right? And then we add up all the length here together. Perimeter is just focus on the length outside, just surrounding the length here. We don't have to add the length inside here. Okay, now how do we know what is the length here? Try to think why the question gives us this one. How do we get the area of a square? We take the length times the width. Because this is a square, the length and the width will be the same, right? So when you look at this, 2x minus y square, it actually means that 2x minus y times 2x minus y. Therefore, from here, we know the length is the length and the width or the side length of this square. Because for a square, the length and the width are the same. So we know that the side length of this square is actually 2x minus y centimeter over here. And here also 2x minus y centimeter. Okay, so to find the area of this square, you will get 2x minus y squared, because take this one times this one, which is equal to this. Now, since the question tells us that this is equilateral triangle, so if the length here is 2x minus y, so we know all the length here will be 2x minus y as well, right? Okay, so the perimeters will be equal to how many 2x minus y? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 2x minus y. Okay, let's do the expansion. 8 times 2, you get 16. Okay, x just copy. So positive, negative, you get negative x, y. Okay, if you don't want to put a parenthesis here, it's okay. Okay, this is per meter, so the unit will be centimeter. Okay, let's try one more question. Liu has 10 PQ stamp. Ahmad has 4 QR stamp more than Liu, while Mutu has 2 PQ plus 5 QR stamp less than Ahmad. So at the beginning, after you reading this sentence, you might feel a little bit confusing, right? So let's just write down, let's just simplify the question. Okay, Liu, 10 PQ stamp, 10 PQ. Ahmad has 4 QR stamp more than Liu. It means more than this 4 QR. So it will be 10 PQ plus 4 QR. Okay, now let's go to the Mutu. Mutu has 2 PQ plus 5 QR stamp less than Ahmad, less than this 2 PQ plus 5 QR. So the number of Mutu stamp will be equal to less than this 2 PQ plus 5 QR. It means you have to take this one minus this whole thing, right? So remember to put a parenthesis. Okay, if you cannot understand this, let me change to another situation. Let's say Ahmad has, for example, 10 stamp, and Mutu has 2 stamp less than Ahmad. You know the answer. Mutu has 8 stamp, right? How do we get 8? We take 10 minus 2. So same thing apply here. Since Mutu has this amount stamp less than Ahmad, so we take this one minus this one. Okay? Now, then we open out this parenthesis. 10 PQ plus 4 QR. Negative, positive, it becomes negative. Negative, positive, negative. Okay, so we try to simplify it. PQ and QR, we cannot plus them together because they are unlike terms. So here we have PQ, and here we have another PQ, right? These two are like terms. So do you notice that when I circle the terms, I circle together with the sign in front of it. So you just take 10 minus 2, which is equal to 8. Just copy the PQ. Now we have another like term over here. This is plus 4QR. This is minus 5QR. Okay, so the answer will be minus QR, plus 4 minus 5 minus QR. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. We want to write an expression for the number of Mutu stamp in terms of P, Q, and R. Okay, now let's go to the last part, part B. If P is equal to 10, Q is equal to 6, and R is equal to 4, find the number of Mutu stamp. Okay, the number of Mutu stamp. So this one is actually very easy. We got it just now in terms of P, Q, and R, right? Let me copy this one first. 8PQ minus QR. And then the next step, I'm going to replace the P, Q, and R with the value given here. So P is equal to 10. So this means that 8 times 10. Okay? And Q is equal to 6 times 6. Minus Q is equal to 6 times R is equal to 4. Okay, this one just press your calculator. 480, right? Okay, the answer is 456. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.